know, there are only two things more beautiful than a good gun. A Swiss watch or a woman from anywhere. You ever had a good Swiss watch?
Go ahead, try it.
Yeah, that's very good.
Hey, that's good, too. Go on, keep it going.
Yeah, now I know who you'd be. You'd be Matthew Garth, wouldn't you?
That's right.
You're as good as they say you are. Maybe as good as me. That puts two of us at the head of the list.
I'd leave room for a third.